Okay, this is my video for assignment number 5. I'm going to start out in R. I'm using the same data set that I used in the previous Tableau assignment. I haven't used this in R yet, so I thought I'd go ahead and create the plots really quickly so we know what they look like in here. That way we can compare them really quickly. We have our scatter plot here, widgets per hour on the x-axis, satisfaction score on the y. Our density plot, plotting satisfaction scores on the satisfaction inventory. And then this is the diversity bar plot, where we want to know how many people are inside of each ethnic group. Go over here to Tableau. I'm going to import my data set. No null values or anything here, so it seems to be fine. I'm going to start out with the scatter plot. So we are going to take number of widgets produced and put them in the columns, and satisfaction score, and put that in the rows. Change that to dimension, and here we pretty much see the same graph that was created inside R. Let's go ahead and create the bar plot now. Put ethnicity in each of the columns. Change that to count. Make that a little bit wider. Add some color to the mix. And we see the same thing here. We can pretty much make it look exactly like we want. If you want to make it look like it is in R, we can manipulate how these progress, so you can make it from 0 to 10, 0 to 2, so whatever increments you want it to progress in. And that can all be edited within this menu right here. The density plot, I spent countless hours trying to do it. It sucked. Couldn't do it. I could fit a normal curve onto it, but it didn't make any sense. But let me go ahead and create it. So I'm going to create the histogram first, which is my comparative plot. Pull that up. So we want satisfaction score here. Go ahead, create a bin. 15. Boom. Whoops. And then I did that upside down, I'm guessing. And that needs to be a count. So from here we see kind of a normal, not a normal, but the same thing we saw in the density plot. We see it increasing, and then we see a dip towards the middle, see it increasing again, and then dramatically dip down here. If we were to draw a line over it, we would see a similar pattern within the histogram as well, which is why I'm making it my comparative plot. I added the normal curve through a random formula that I found online. I typed it within here, and it fit a curve on here, but it was far from accurate. So if you have a helpful way that you would be willing to suggest on how I can do this, I'd be more than happy to redo this part of the assignment and submit it. And not just for the assignment, but so I know how to do it in real life. But I think that fulfills the requirements for this video.